Hey guys, we still working on this 450. Trying to make them one bike or two bikes. Yeah, I made that rear end up out of both rear ends actually. This one had no axle in it when it came here. I put the axle out of the other one in it. These are the best plastics of the two bikes. This engine, the timing chain failed in it. Replace that in the gear and tensioner in the gaskets. I was hoping to make it be able to come in and out of 4-wheel drive, but I couldn't do it because shafts are different and it was just too much work. Just about at the point fired up, I think it's gonna. Starts up and I turn it off quick. The oil cooler's not hooked up, so it's puking out there, but I don't have to flush any old oil out of it. Seems like it's working pretty good. Just a little bit of gas in the carburetor, and still gotta clean the gas tank and a few other things, but should all work good, I think.